26th January, Republic Day of India. What is Republic Day in simple words? Republic Day in India is a public holiday where we celebrate the day on which the Constitution of India came into effect, that is 26th January 1950. Every year, India celebrates its Republic Day on 26th January. But do you know the meaning of words like republic, constitution, and government? Let's learn together. First, let's understand what is meant by Constitution of India. A constitution is defined as the set of written rules that are accepted by all the people living together in a country. It determines the relationship between the people and the government. So, the Constitution of India is a document that establishes the political values, the powers of government, and the rights of the citizens of the country. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on the 26th of November 1949. However, it only came into effect on the 26th of January 1950. This is why we celebrate Republic Day. What is meant by republic? A republic is a form of government in which the people elect or choose their leaders. In most countries with a republican government, the people elect the head of the government, such as a president. They also elect other people called representatives to make laws. The leaders of a republic are responsible to the people who elected them. If the people do not like the way their leaders govern, they can vote them out of office. This means that the people are the source of power. Now, let's understand what is meant by government. Any group of people living together in a country, state, city, or local community have to live by certain rules. The system of rules and the people who make and administer them is known as a government. So, a government is the system to govern a state or community. Hope you liked this video and learned a lot of new things. Do subscribe to Learny Day. Bye bye.